Hi everyone. Today I will show you a record triggered flow in Salesforce. This flow will send an email to the sales manager. The use case is whenever opportunity amount is greater than or equal to 50,000 or opportunity stage is equal to negotiation review. So it will send the email alert to the sales manager. Now I will show you how you can implement this. In the quick find box, type flows, click on flows, create new flow, select record triggered flow, select the object as opportunity, trigger the flow when a record is created or updated. Now I will add the condition, type amount, select the operator greater than or equal to, enter the value 50,000, add one more condition, enter the stage, select stage equal to negotiation review. Now click on add element. Here I will get the sales manager details. So type get, select get record, give the label name get sales manager details, select the object as user, scroll down, select user, add the condition, enter ID, scroll down, select user ID equal to, enter the user ID. So open Salesforce Inspector where you can fetch the user ID of the sales manager. Click on data export, select ID, user name, user role dot name from user. Run this query, run export. Here you can see that the role is sales manager and the ID of the sales manager is this. Just copy this ID and open the flow and enter the user ID. Now click on again add element, type send email. This will send an email to the sales manager. Give the label name, send email to sales manager. Scroll down. Inside the address, select the manager email. Select user from get sales manager and enter email and select email. Scroll down. Inside the subject, scroll down, click on new resources and select the type text template. Give the API name subject. Enter the subject important opportunity update. Now click on insert a resource. Select opportunity and type name. Select name and select plain text and remove this paragraph tag and just click on done. Again select on subject and click on new resources. Select the type text template and give the API name body message. Hello. Insert a resource. Select a user from get sales manager and type first name. An opportunity has been created or update. Enter the opportunity name. Insert a resource. Select opportunity and type name. Select name. Same amount. Opportunity, type amount, select amount. Stage. Again insert a resource, opportunity, type stage, select stage. Please review the deal. Thank you. Now click on done and inside the body, select body message. Scroll down and rich text, select true, line breaks, true, and just save this flow. And give the flow name opportunity amount stage email alert and just click on save. Now your flow is ready. Just activate your flow and open any opportunity record and click on edit icon and enter the amount 70,000 and just save this opportunity record so the email will send to the sales manager. Just open the email, click on spam. Here you can see that the subject is important opportunity update business deal. Hello Priyanka Mewada, an opportunity has been created. Opportunity name, amount, stage. Now I will create the opportunity. Click on opportunity, click new. Give the opportunity name, corporate, deal 1, amount 80,000 and select the stage, negotiation review and just save this. Close date is mandatory. Enter the close date and just save this. Now open the mail and just refresh. Here you can see that. Important opportunity update, corporate, deal 1. Hello Priyanka Mewada, an opportunity has been created. Opportunity name, amount, stage. So this is how we use a record triggered flow to automate email notification in Salesforce. Thank you so much.